Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. And if you do enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. On the screen are today's shoutouts. Thank you all so much for your comments and your support. If you also want a shout out, all you have to do is subscribe and turn notifications on with the first 20 people to comment hashtag #ChillFication once you've done that. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make some really cool fidget toys. I'll be showing you guys how to make a mesh stress ball, a poppet fidget, and a tingle fidget. So without any further ado, let's get into today's video. First up, I'll be showing you guys how to make the tingle fidget. For this, grab 2 straws and a pipe cleaner. Cut up the straws into small pieces. I'd say about 2 centimeters is good. You don't actually have to measure them, I just told you guys so you have a reference. The only thing you need to make sure is that they're a very close size. Now grab your pipe cleaner and fold one of the edges over a little bit. Just like this, making it a little bit thicker. Now start sliding on the cut up straws as if they were beads. And then slide the straw right underneath the little flap you folded over. And now continue placing on the straws. Just like that, and then I'm going to fold this last one over. Once I've done that, your tingle fidget is all completed. You can fidget with it however you'd like. It's super bendy. This fidget was super easy to make, and I'd highly recommend making it. Next, I'll be showing you guys how to make a heart poppet fidget. Grab some plastic from some sort of packaging, and take some kind of circular object to trace. Grab some kind of washable dark marker, and then trace it. Now repeat this process 2 more times. Just like this, and cut them out. Once they're cut out, grab some kind of wet paper towel and smudge off the marker. Now grab a colored permanent marker, I'm using this pink one, and then start coloring your circles. Now quickly let them dry. Once they're dried, grab one of them and then cut a tiny slit in it. Just like this, halfway. And now do the same thing with the rest. Now take it and then fold one of the flaps over, basically making a cone shape. Now grab some clear tape and then tape it on the inside. Now do the same thing with the other circles. And now right here I have 3 pink cones. Grab a piece of cardboard and then place the 3 cones on it. Draw a heart shape around them. And then trace each of the cones. Just like this, and cut it out. Once you've done that, go ahead and erase any of the extra pencil markings. Now grab your cones once again and then place them on the holes. And start taping them. You can either tape them up from the outside, as in putting it on top, or you can do it through the inside like this. So 4 to 5 pieces of tape. Now I'm just doing the same thing to the other ones. So here's our fidget toy. Now I just want to decorate it. Grab some glue and then put some of it onto the cardboard. Take some kind of paintbrush and spread the glue out. Now grab some glitters and put on the glitter. Next, I'm also going to add on some hot pink glitters. Once the glue is dried, your poppet is all completed. It pops very nicely, and it looks so beautiful. I love the fancy glitters, and they match the color of the actual poppets. Now I'll be showing you guys how to make a mesh stress ball. To start off, grab an empty plastic water bottle and start cutting off the top of the water bottle. Here we have a homemade funnel. Now grab a balloon. Right here I have this hot pink one, and stretch the top over the water bottle. Now take any type of glue or some slime, and put it inside the funnel. Put enough so that it fills up your balloon. Once you think you put enough glue in it, squeeze out some of the air and then twist it. Now take it off. Now go ahead and tie the balloon. Once you've tied the balloon, you can technically stop because you already have a nice stress ball, but if you want to make it mesh, keep watching the next step. Next, grab some kind of net from like lemons, oranges, avocados, and then cut off like a decent piece of it that is larger than your balloon. Now stretch it out a little. Put your balloon inside of the net, and then wrap it around. Cut off the part where you don't need the mesh anymore. Now grab some ribbon, and then cut off a piece. Tie a knot at the bottom of the mesh. Once you've done that, cut off the tails. And now your mesh stress ball should be all complete. And even if part of it rips, it's still super nice. Overall, I really like this fidget. So right over here were all the fidgets we made today. The Tingle Fidget. Super nice to fidget with. The Heart Poppet. Super sparkly and pretty. Makes great ASMR and is super duper fun to play with. And the stress ball. It is super nice and just like a real stress ball. Personally, I prefer the stress ball without the mesh part. Comment down below which fidget toy was your favorite and which one you guys will be trying out. My favorite is definitely the Heart Poppet. It is just so pretty and really fun to play with. Make sure to check out my other DIY fidget toy videos. They will all be linked down below in the description box. So that's pretty much it for this video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and it'd be super duper awesome if you'd subscribe. Make sure to check out my slime shop. It will be linked down below and use the code SUMMER to get 20% off your order. I love you all so much and I will see you in my next video.